Hi, in this video you will see how to download Eclipse and install Eclipse to develop any Java program or to develop any Selenium script, something like that, any Java related stuff. So why Eclipse? Because Eclipse is one of the popular Java IDE. To develop any Java code or to code for Selenium as automation tester, you need Eclipse. You can use other tool also, but Eclipse is very popular because it is free. So basically there are two steps to install Eclipse. One is we need to download Eclipse first, and after download is finished we need to run the exe file to install Eclipse. But remember one thing, before installation of Eclipse we must have to make sure that our computer has installed Java already. If there is no Java, Eclipse will not work. So before installation of Eclipse, must confirm whether Java is installed there or not. If you don't know how to install Java, then you can check my other tutorial on my channel, how to install Java. I'll put the link in the description. To download Eclipse, just open any browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser and then go to google.com. So once you are in the google.com search page, just typing Eclipse, and you'll find the Eclipse link is there. In the top, it is the Eclipse website link from where we can download Eclipse easily. So we just need to go this link by clicking there, and you will see the link is eclipse.org, this one. Okay, so just click here to enter the Eclipse website. Now we need to download. So to download, we can download by clicking here, or we can also click more. From here under Eclipse IDE you can click on download. Anything is fine, but I prefer to go Eclipse IDE, this download or this. Basically both of them will be the same link. Just choose any of the download link and you will be in this download page. From here you have to click on the download Eclipse button, that one. And if your computer is 64-bit, you will find the 64-bit versions of Eclipse, otherwise it will be some other version. So based on your system, just click on the orange button to start download. So I'm just going to click here, and then it will come to this page and it will show how I want to download. And there are other ways you can also download by the following ways, but I'm not going to that way. I'm going to click the download this button, or you can also check this select another mirror. If you select another mirror, it will pop up, I mean it will show all the different ways you can download. Okay, anyway, so this is the actual Eclipse 64-bit version of this thing. So we can click here download to download the Eclipse software. So I'm going to click the download, and it will come this page and it will start downloading very soon. So at the bottom you will see that it started downloading, and here it will give you one message: thank you for downloading Eclipse. And if your browser is unable to download that thing, then we have to click here. Here it is already mentioned, if the download does not start in few seconds, please click here to start the download. So if you also click here, it will also start downloading if in case the download is not complete started. So once the download is finished, you will see that download is finished. We have to go to the download location of Eclipse. So for this case, download we finished, I put X, that means it is finished. Now I'm going to the download location. So we can go from here. By default the downloads is downloaded in under downloads location. So I went downloads location, and I see there is Eclipse IDE is there. So to run this thing, we can double click, or we can select this thing, and then we can right click, and then we can choose open. Once we click open, it will start loading the installation page of Eclipse. So once the loading is finished, then you will it will come like this type of window. Okay, so here we will see there are different versions of Eclipse are there, like Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers, and so on, like PHP. And if you scroll down, you'll find many other things. But we will develop Java program, or Java, we will work as a Java developer or Java engineer or some Selenium developer. or automation tester, something like that. So for this case we need to write Java code. That's why we can choose this option or this option. So I will choose this option because this is common. Most of the time if you are a complete pure Java developer, then you can also use this thing. Anything is fine, both of them are almost the same thing. So I'm choosing the first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So we just need to select this thing by clicking, and then it will start installation. And this is the first window where it will ask us where we want to install Java and where is the actual installation folder. So by default, if your machine doesn't have any Java, you cannot see this thing. And as we install Java and we have Java 1.8 and virtual machine, it is actually pointing to the current location. Program file Java JRE, this is the runtime environment. So it is already detected that this is the version number. And if we don't find, then you can also check other way. If we have any other version, like we have Java 1.9 or 10 or something, or 13, then we can also point here with Eclipse. Okay, so I'm not going to that. If you need, you can do that. And here there are two checkboxes: create start menu entry and create desktop shortcut. You can put check mark or uncheck, it's up to you. So I don't need desktop shortcut, so I just unchecked it. And then after that we need to click on the install button to start installation of Eclipse. So I just click here, install, and it will start installation. At the beginning it will ask us the agreement, Eclipse install software agreement. We have to accept now, otherwise we cannot install Eclipse. So I am going to click on accept now, this button, to accept the agreement, and it will start installation. And it will take few minutes to finish the installation. And when it is going to install, it will ask you a couple of times the license agreement or something like that. So every time we have to click on accept. So I'm going to click on accept here in this window, and it will start continue the installation of Eclipse. This step window may be appear like 1 or 2 times, it depends. For my case probably it will come only one time. But if it comes again the same type of accept window for license, then we have to accept the license agreement. And we have to wait till we get the confirmation message. Okay, so here we're seeing something artifact download is progressing very slowly from. So it is basically downloading some software related stuff to install the software properly. So just wait for a few minutes. It will take from a couple of minutes to 10-20 minutes. It depends on the internet speed. For my case it will be like 3-4 minutes, I don't know. But please wait till it finish installation. So I see here it is appearing a new window. So we have to choose, do you trust this certificate? We have to check this mark, and then we have to click select all. If there is multiple certificates like 5-6, then you can select all, then it will select everything. And then once you select that, we have to click this button accept selected. So I'm going to click here, and you can also use this thing. So next time we don't need to click, it will by default it will see that I already accepted, something like that. So I'm going to click this button again to complete the installation. I see the download is finished, and once it is finished, then it will give you this type of message like launch. Just click here to start the Eclipse, and it will start very soon. I'm going to cancel this because I want to show you whether it is installed properly or not. So I'm going to click on cancel button, and then we have to open. I will open actually the Eclipse from here. I'm just going to click the search box of Windows 10, and then I start typing Eclipse, and we see that Eclipse is there. So this is the app. Okay, Eclipse IDE for Java developer to 1912. So if we click here, then it will start opening the Eclipse window. And once you click there, then it will ask some workspace. By default it will create this location on workspace. This is the bullet name, but we can also change the folder name where we want to create the bullet. For example, let me go to my computer, and then under C drive we can create one folder like Java program, and then we can also point this path in this workspace. So for doing this, that we have to click on browse, and then we have to go to that particular location. So it is under C drive, and there is a folder Java program. We just need to click here, select folder. Okay, once we click on the select folder, then it will map on that folder, and here you will see there. And then finally we have to click on launch. Once we hit launch button, it will start opening the Eclipse IDE, from where we can use Java programming language to develop our Java program or some automation testing code, like sync and code to test our applications. For the first time it takes some time to start, and again it depends on the computer configuration and speed, and based on that it will pop up or open the Eclipse IDE. So here we see that this is the first time. If you open, then it will come like this type of page where there will be welcome message, and it is showing that using Eclipse what you can do, and it is mentioning Eclipse IDE for Java developers. This is for writing Java code or to develop Java applications. We can use Eclipse. So I'm going to close this thing, and now from here you can create a new project by clicking here, create new project, or you can choose file, then new, and from here you can also choose Java project, or if you want some other type of thing you can also do. So let me create a Java project first to check whether Eclipse IDE is working properly or not. So I'm going to click the Java project, and once I hit Java project it will ask me the name of the project. Okay, so I can type any name like first Java. I just put the project name first Java, okay, something like that. And then here we are seeing that the Java version is already selected, Java 1.8. But if you want to use other version of Java, then you have to install, and from here you can also point the Java thing. Okay, I'm not going to change anything because we already have Java SC 1.8 this version. If we want to double confirm, we can also check from command prompt. Then if we type like Java dash space dash version, Java space dash version, it will show us the Java version. See, this is the Java version, Java 1.8.0, something like that. Okay, so here Java SC 1.8, and once we choose this Java version, and by after writing the project name, we can click on next button or finish button. I'm going to click finish button. It will be the same thing. Okay, once we finish, click the finish button, we'll see on Java project will be created here, and there is nothing, only the Java system library and the source file. So if you want to create a Java file, we just need to click here source, and from here new, we can create a Java file like this Java file. Or you can also do one thing, you can also create here, click here to create any Java file, and it will pop up this Java window. Or another way, you can also choose, we have to choose here, then file, new, then class file. Okay, in this way you can do. So the shortcut is very simple. If you click here, it will pop up that window to create a Java file. So let me create a Java file. Suppose the file name is like hello Java, something like that. Okay, this is the Java file name, and then we can also define whether this class have any main method or not. So to check that, to include the main method, we need to check this box, and then also select that box. Then we have to click on finish button to create the Java file with that main method. And here it will create the class file. This is the hello Java class, and inside it there is a main method. And here we can write something like, we can write a println command, system.out, system.out dot suppose print. Okay, and we can also type some of the string like hello Java, something like that. You can type. Okay, once you type that, and we can run this application. So to run this Java project, what we have to do, we can directly click here, or we can right click, and from here we can run as like Java application. We can click anything is fine, and then we have to choose this one, and then click on OK. I didn't save the application, the Java file, that's why it is popping up that save and launch. So if I hit OK button, it will save and it will run, and we will see the output here, and it's showing us that hello Java program and this thing. So you can also run this program by clicking here also. This is the shortcut. So for example, hello Java by shortcut, and now I'm going to save this thing. So file, we can click save, or Control S, you can type, press together to save the application, and then we have to run the application by pressing this green triangle. So I'm going to click on this green triangle, and it will run the application, and we are seeing that it is printing the same string which we printed, which we mentioned inside the system.out.print method. Okay, so in this way you can download Java. We completed, then after that we completed the installation, and finally we created on Java on Java project, and we run it. So hopefully by following this tutorial you will be able to do everything, like to how from where we have to download Java, and how to install, and where will be the install location, and how to launch the Eclipse IDE, and how to create a project, and how to run the application. Everything you can do. And if you face any difficulties or any issues, or if you have any question, just put in the comment section. And finally, if you don't subscribe, you can also subscribe, so that new videos when I will be created, then you will get the videos, and it will also support us. And thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestion, you can also put in the comment section. Thanks for watching.